want to go in between you and your husband.
Yes. Kunomoya ozamngena phakathi kwakho nomyeni wakho.
There's a spirit that's trying to get in between you and your husband.
Khuluma nawe. Kunomoya ozamngena phakathi kwakho nomyeni wakho.
There's a spirit trying to get in between you and your husband.
Okay. Lo moya uzamngena phakathi kwakho kunye nawo.
The spirit that's trying to get
Lo
in
moya
between.
uzamngena phakathi kwenu bayi-2.
This spirit that's trying to get in
It's
between the
like
two of you.
Umyeni wakho
Your husband,
ubukele.
he's just watching.
It's like akenzi into ngaloo nto.
He's not doing anything about that.
Yes. You know, sometimes abayeni engobayeni nje nge-mic.
Husbands are not just husbands.
Engobayeni ngendevu.
They're not husbands because of beards.
Ngabayeni also ngokhusela.
They are also husbands to
Ngabayeni
protect.
also bofayithela indlu zabo.
They are husbands to fight for their households.
Ngabayeni also ukufayithela amakhosikazi abo.
Husbands
Fayithela
to fight for
abantwana
their
babo.
wives.
Fayithela i-finances zabo.
Fight for their finances.
So as lo moya
As this spirit
ungena phakathi kwenu,
is going in
it's
between
like
you,
umyeni wakho nimbone ebukele.
are just your husband standing still doing nothing.
You know, sometimes mawukhuluma ngomoya,
When you speak of a
abantu
spirit,
sometimes bajonga nje umoya.
they just look at the spirit.
Okay? Just lift up and sayigqibezela loo nto ngoku. Sayigqibezela loo nto.
I'll finish off.
Let's move nalena into.
Let us-
Uthe xa ufika kubo man of God kwiservice esibini usangena nje uze kubo my father wathi ubona umoya ofuna ungena phakathi kwabo as umfazi nendoda indoda akho nto inoyenza kuloo nto which is indoda iyohlulakala ngulo moya umfazi man of God uyayiconfirma loo nto uthi kunengxabano phakathi kwakhe nomyeni. But umyeni akho nto ayenzayo bayaqhubeka bexabana to the point yoba ngoku umyeni uathekekile engqondweni my father. Akho nto anoyenza. Uathekekile umyeni uthethe emva naphambili which is laa moya ubuqale wawuyeka uatheka umtshato ngoku uatheka umyeni man of God esibusitsho my father.
Man of God, when you came inside the church, you attended these newcomers and you said to the couple that the husband is not doing anything regarding this attack. The wife is confirming it, man of God, saying that it began with conflicts, arguments inside the household, and the husband will do nothing to resolve those conflicts happening in the household. To the point that right now, as you speak, he's been attacked, man of God, in his mind. He speaks back and forth. As a person now, he cannot resolve any conflict because of this spirit.
Wow. Hallelujah. So bathini bona?
That's
Give the
confirming.
mic- Give the mic and buffer bathini. Can buffer now.
Sisi kuthiwa nithini kuloo nto kwenzeke ntoni emtshatweni okanye kwenzeka ntoni emtshatweni wenu.
Okay.
Just talk fast, I don't have time.
Into eyenzekayo wena bhuti, I think it was from the 12th of December to be
Move phambi komntwana.
clear. They went to a vacation with the friends. So into eyenzekileyo
What happened?
at night I smashed the cup like with my I don't know when I woke up in the morning.
I'm forgetting
I
saying.
called a Sunday. She called me, said, what's happening? I'm saying,
Bakwenzeka
are
ntoni?
you with other gentlemen?
Bekuyi
where
nabanye
you are?
abafana?
Because I asked you clearly, but are you with gents? Or are you only women out there? Because I prepared everything for her to go there, trusting that she's going with her friends only. And now when she called me 3 a.m. in the morning, I was like, 3 a.m. in the morning? Okay, what's going on? And I started hearing voices then. The friend that she was with called Bubele, get something. That's the voice I heard. Now, to me, it came as if, now you told me that there was no one, like no gentleman in here, it's only you girl, it's just the girls. Out of anger, I don't know where it was coming from. It was just an animal, I don't know. I started attacking everything. Then the morning, Sunday, she came. When she came the Sunday morning, the car was smashed. And through that smashing, there was blood, which was my blood in the house.
Okay.
Now, she asked, why did I do that? I asked, were you with the guys there? She still insisted, no, I was just with the friends. So it began there. It began there. Then she started calling my brothers, which is my cousins, my brothers, because my brothers live.
Okay. It's fine, ndiyakufunda that.
That's what transpired. That's what transpired.
It's fine. Bathiwa ndithe kuwe, le nto bendiyithetha uyazi ncam.
I still don't really know what I was saying.
Awukho sure ncam.
Not really sure of it.
Ndiyayazi uba kutheni bendisitsho nje uba
Do you know what? I know you're saying that.
awuyazi le nto ndiyithethayo. Okwesibini ndikukhulume ndithe,
The second thing I spoke of, I said,
sometimes xa kukhona usathana
when there's Satan,
ongena phakathi kwabantu,
they want to go in between people.
abantu bajonga nje usathana,
People will just look at Satan,
but lapha ndikhuluma ngomntu.
but I'm talking about a person.
Lapha ndikhuluma ngomntu
I'm talking about a person
ongena phakathi kwaba bantu.
who's going in between these people.
But I need uba ndisebenzise igama lobana kukhona umoya
But I need to use the word that says the spirit.
ongena phakathi kwenu.
That
But lapha
one comes
ndikhuluma
between.
ngomntu.
It is a person.
Yepha ndikhulumayo. Swele ndithe kwa ukho awe ncam.
Hence why I said you're not aware much.
Ngobani lo mntu.
It's a person.
Yeah, but ndiye ndiyazi ubana kunomntu.
What I know is a
And
person,
lo mntu
a person,
ulela hlobo lo mntu
kind of a person.
elikwazi uba lize nasebusuku lele.
They can come even at
Uyabona
night when
laa
you're
mntu
sleeping.
laa mntu uzawulele afika angena alale phakathi kwakho wena uphuphe ngathi
You
kukhona
dream as
umntu
if-
ongene olele phakathi kwakho nonkosikazi wakho. So,
Something between your
uyabona la.
wife.
So le nto bona bakho awe.
They are not aware.
It's fine, sawuthetha nabo, okay?
I'll speak with you.
Bani friend yakho? Huh? Friend.
Shalom.
Friend.
Shalom.
Bani uhlaluma?
Yeah.
Uphi uhlaluma?
Ukubu.
Okay. I'm done ke wathi bakandifaka ke ndawo. Yabona lo moya lapho uqoba amandla khona uza ngokuphusha ngomsindo.
To push this anger.
So la ndithe
That's why I said,
utata kenza into ngalo moya.
you're not doing anything about the spirit.
Push bana move ngomsindo, but it's fine zohlala nibani.
I'll sit down with you.
Okay.